Okay. In yesterday class, we have seen basic introduction about what is data and what is information and what is data structures and stack, queue, and then linked list. This is the topics we have discussed in last class. Data means raw facts, whatever we observe. The example what we discussed is, in the class we have a group of members, but we don't know how many boys or girls is there. So how we can know means by processing. So processed data is called a information. So data structure means data will be in different forms, different types. Computer should understand what type of structure it is. That's why we have some data structures. Some are linear data structures and few are non-linear data structures. So we would like to know what are the data structures. So some of the data structures we have seen yesterday is stack, queue and linked list. In the stack, what we have done? In the stack, only one end is there where we can perform insertion and deletion operation. That end is called a top. Insertion and deletion operation is called as push and the pop. Whereas queue, insertion will perform in one end and deletion will perform. Whereas linked list node consists of two things. One is the data node, another one is the memory node, and one node will be linked to the other node. In this way the data will be, so that the machine can understand easily. This data structure is called as a linear data structures. Linear data structures. Today we gonna see non-linear data structure. Non-linear data structure. First one is the tree. We're gonna see what is tree and terminologies of the tree. Okay? My screen and my voice is clear, right? Any one of you please respond.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. So today we see what is a tree and why we need to go for the tree. So tree. First, what is a tree means? It is a non-linear data structure. Non-linear data structure. So whereas arrays, stack, queue, they are called linear data structures. Linear means some sequential, some process is there. Non-linear means it has no any some process. There's some random kind of thing. Okay? And what are the terms we need to remember in the tree means? Terms are, we may call as terminology. Tree has root. The top of the node is called a root. From root, we have some other nodes like this. The circle shape is called a nodes. In each and every node consists of data like 4, 1, 3, 2 elements. And we have some terms, parent node, and we have child node. So the top one is called a, this is called what? Root node. and these all are the nodes. And what is a parent node and child node means? 4 node is a parent. For nodes 1 comma 3 comma 2. Similarly 1 2 3 are child node 4. This is the terms we need to be very clear. Some disturbance is coming, right? Hello, his voice is clear for you? I'm getting some lot of sound. I don't know where. Uma Maheshwari, some I don't know. I'm getting buzz kind of sound. So please, if anyone is in unmute, please mute it out. Okay. Okay. So you clear with. So root node is top of the node, and the parent node and child node 1 3 2 are childs to 4, and 4 is parent to the nodes 1 3 2. Now let me write one example. You try to say what is the root node and what is the child. Just draw a tree. This is a tree. Data may 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. So this node is called
Screen is not visible, sir.
it's sharing. It's saying that my screen was shared already. Hello, please unmute yaar. Your screen is visible now? Hello, please unmute the screen. Some power star or some I don't know. Please unmute the screens. Okay, so on the screen you are seeing one tree. This is called a tree. Tree, you should remember that first step is cycles. Cycles also called as loops. This cannot be a tree. This is the closed one. A, B, C. This is a closed. So no loops, no closed. Then only we call as a tree. This is the first step. When we call as a tree means there should not be no cycles or no loops. The path should not be closed. This can call as a tree. This is not a tree. So these steps are very, very important. So here 2 node is child to which node? The node 2 is child to 1. Similarly, the node is child to
5.
5. Okay. Here the 3 node is parent to which nodes? 3 node is parent to 5 and 6. And node 4 is child to
1.
1.
1, 2.
So like this, always the top node is the root node and child nodes, depending upon the node, the parent and child will be changes. Now we see some other terminologies. So now clear root, we clear child and we got clear with the parent. Now we see the other terminology, leaf, and one more is sibling. Leaf node and siblings and height of tree. We need to know what is a leaf, what is a sibling, and what is the height of a tree. Sorry. Suppose this is a tree. This is called 0th level, first level, second level. Okay? We may call this as levels. We have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like that elements. So node 0 is root node. So which are the node in one level? Nodes 1, node 2, this row are called as siblings. Nodes which are in the same level is called the siblings. So this is one level. Root node has no siblings. First level, the one node is sibling to 2 and 3. 3 node is sibling to 2 and 1. And 2 is sibling to 1 and 3. Similarly, in the same level, 4, 5, 6, 7. These all are called as siblings to each other. So in this tree, what are the siblings for 1? Siblings for 1 are 2 and 3. Siblings for 2, 1 and 3. Siblings for 6?
1 and 2.
Siblings for 6?
4, 5, 7.
4, 5 and 7. So same level is called the siblings.
Siblings.
So here how many heights, how many levels is there? 0, 1 and 2. So
2 left.
1, 2, 3. So here the height may be like 3. This is first level, second level, third level. Always the root will represent as 0, 1, 2. So this is called the height. Height of a tree. Height of a tree is 3. Levels always starts from 0, 0, 1, 2. So now what are the leaf nodes? At the end of the nodes.
4, 5, 6, 7, sir.
Yeah, 4, 5, 6, 7 are the leaf nodes. The edge is called a leaf nodes.
Yeah.
Now let me draw one more example of the tree. You should say how many levels are there, how many trees are there, and etc. This is a tree. When we say it is a tree, no loops. First we need to, no closed loops. Is there any closed loop here?
Yeah.
No.
No,
So it is a tree. Root here, node 1. What are 2?
3.
So these are same level. So sibling of 2 is 3 nodes.
6. 4. 6. 4, sir.
What are the end we have? This is the end, this is the end, and the end. Am I right?
Yeah.
Leaf nodes don't have any children. 2 has a 2 childs, 4 and 5. But 4 has no child, child, no. So who has no child? That all nodes called as leaf nodes. So in this tree, the leaf nodes are, what are there? 6,
2, 4, 6.
4, 6 and 3. This is 3.
2, sir.
2 has 2 child nodes, 4 and 5.
Sir. 3.
So 3. So this is the leaf nodes.
The 3.
How many levels?
3.
0th level, first level, second level, third level. So 3. Height
Yes, sir. 4.
1, 2, 4.
4.
So once again I am revising. Tree. Tree means no closed loops. Okay? It consists of nodes. It's a non-linear structure. It is a non-linear data structure. The terms we have to. What is it? What is it? Level, height, and then leaf. Am I right? We have seen this all things about a tree. Up to now, you have any questions, you can ask me now. Can you respond? What is a root?
What is in the closed loop, sir?
Closed loop means path. For example, this may be a tree. If you see here, how the path is like this. These are the paths we have. If you see the path, there is no path like this. This is called the closed path. So in a tree, we should be any. So these all are the. This is called the closed one.
Sir.
If it is closed means we have graph. We will see next class. I mean next class means next unit we may see about the graph. This kind of data is called a graph. We will see in next class. Here this is the tree. Tree means we should be very clear that if you draw the paths, path from one node to other node should not be in a tree. So this should not be done. This is the closed. Tree means we should not have this kind of paths. Any other questions? Any other questions you can ask me now. Hello? Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is about terminology of the tree. We will go next about the binary tree. What is a binary tree means? First one is it should be a tree. It should be a tree. And then each node should has only two or less nodes. We will see the properties again. You see these two properties. You just say this is a tree or not. Is the figure A is a tree?
No, sir.
Why?
It's a closed loop, sir.
So it is a closed here, right?
Yes, sir.
So it is not a tree. Good. Figure B is a tree?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
No or yes?
No, sir.
It is also a tree. It is true. A tree, it is a tree, but it has no child.
Oh, okay, sir.
It has only a root. That's it. Okay?
Okay, sir.
I want to say you that tree can be only one node as well, but it has no child. Whether the figure C is a child? Is this a tree?
No, sir.
Why?
It's a closed loop, sir. Figure C.
Closed loop from where?
A to B, B to D, D to C, C to A, sir.
Yeah, it is a closed loop. So it is not a tree. Perfect. So is it a tree?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes, it is a tree. No closed loop, right? It has a root and it has two childs.
Yes, sir.
So it is a tree. Now I said binary tree means it should be a tree. So a binary tree may be a figure B or figure D. First property is it's a tree. How many trees are there in this diagram? Two trees are there, B and D. Second property is each node where in a tree, each node in a tree should consist what? 2 or less nodes. You try to understand that one. What is the 2 or less nodes? This is one node. So 0 is a tree. This is a tree. Tree has only root. So it is a tree and it is, nodes are how many? Nodes are less than true. So it is a binary tree. Again I am drawing. This is 0 and 1. This is the root. This is a child of the 0th node. Again, it is a tree. Correct? And nodes are less than 2 to every node. Here we have 0 node and 1 node. This consists only one child. So, true. Again I am having the node. Okay? I has 1, 2, 3. So it is a tree. And nodes of 1 is 2 is there. So 2. Property is 2 or less than 2 less than equal to 2. So true. Only 1 has 2 nodes. So it's a true. Two, 3, 4. It is a tree. Correct. But root node 1 has how many childs? 2,
3.
3, 4. 3 childs.
Sir.
So is it 3 is less than equal to 2?
No, sir.
No. So it is not a binary tree.
Binary tree.
So these 3 are binary trees. Binary tree true properties. You got right? First time I said only true properties. What are there? It should be a tree. Each node should has less than or equal to. Has 2 or less than or equal to. So the tree may has 1 node or 2 nodes or 3 nodes. Again it may be this manner. We call skew. This as well true. This as well true. This is a true. This all are binary trees. Will agree? Check the properties.
No, sir.
This many trees we have. Okay? In a tree A, is it a tree?
Yes, sir.
Yes. How many child it has? 0 childs. So property is every node in a tree should has 2 or less than equal to 2. So it is a binary tree. Correct. So here how many trees we have? 1 tree. 1 and 2. How many nodes we have? nodes? One consists of only one node. Am I right? Closed loop. Only one node. More than equal to 2. True. It is a B tree. This one
Yes, sir.
we have next level. It has only 2 nodes. So it is a true. What about this? Level 1, level 2. Has one. This will change. So 1 or less than equal to 2 means? Yes. True. Similarly, this as well. True. See, this has one child. True. This has 2. This has 1. True. These all are binary trees. You remember that every node in a tree, you take any node. If you take this node has how many childs? 0 childs. 0 is less than 2. Take this node. How many childs? 1 and 2. Less than equal to 2. True. If you take this chart, only 1 and 2. 2 nodes. So each and everything here is called a binary tree. Next class, we will discuss more about these trees. Are you feeling difficult this one?
No, sir. No, sir.
You remember that tree means no closed loops. Binary tree means no closed loops. It should be a tree, and then a node should consist of only 2 nodes. So already you are in the Google Classroom, right?